Nairobi Metropolis requires about 760,000 cubic meters of water per day. It is this demand that has seen an upsurge of water vendors, a situation that is now proving to be a challenge, especially due to the lack of proper regulations that guide the water business. The Water Services Regulatory Board has now published strict water vending guidelines to be enforced by the Athi River Works Development Agency as it moves to restore sanity in the sector. Athi River Works Development Agency CEO, Engineer Michael Mwangi Thwita, has said that the new directives are aimed at ensuring that water distributed to consumers is of optimum quality, especially in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic.
In the wake of COVID, now the public health issues are being taken very, very seriously, and every drop of water that is being consumed in Nairobi, either for domestic or even hand washing, the quality check is very, very important.
Part of the new developments also include the use of an app that will link consumers to licensed water providers.
The consumers of the water will be able to enter, and also the water vending services will be able to use that same platform to be able to supply the water. The platform will be an app.
Engineer Thwita says that the move will also help in tracking illegal water vendors, a move that has been welcomed by the businessmen who say that it will help bring sanity to the sector.
We are encouraging them to sell water more, and we are also trying to get rid of those people who are not in good business. Those people who just come from anywhere. Somebody can come now from Machakos or from Kiabu or from Naivasha and start selling water, any quality water.
Most of the time we have been accused of not doing our work in the correct manner, maybe supplying water which is low standard, and maybe about the cost, you know, at this time, the cost. And within this platform, we are going to make everybody, to take everybody on board.
The regulations will apply to water tankers, exhausters, gated community water providers, private borehole owners engaging in community water supply, and non-governmental organization water projects. All the small-scale water service providers within Nairobi Metropolis are required to register for a license via the Athi River Works Development Agency website at no cost by the 15th of May 2020.
We have close to 5,000 boreholes in the city, and we also don't have a very good platform on where we can be able to log in and know exactly how many. So this time round, if you are if you are vending water from a borehole, there is a platform to be able to register the borehole as well.
Any person who shall provide water services without a license after the deadline will be liable for prosecution.